Welcome to Chanakya Educational Hub, where your journey towards knowledge and success begins.
Attention to professional graduates. Across the globe, if you have skills, nobody is going to stop you. If you don't have skills, nobody is going to help you. There is a huge gap between industry and education. Our results-oriented training and internship sessions helps reduce the gap between industry and education. Importance of internship. Employers tend to value internships that provide hands-on experience, industry relevance, practical skills, and certifications. Internships are a game changer for professional graduates stepping into the workforce. They're all experiences that go beyond credentials. Hands-on experience. Textbooks and lectures teach concepts, but internships allow graduates to apply them in real-world settings. Skill development. From technical skills specific to their industry to soft skills like communication and teamwork, interns grow in areas that matter in professional life. Networking opportunities. Meeting professionals in their field helps interns build connections that can open doors to jobs and mentorships. Confidence boost. Gaining experience in a workplace setting makes transitioning to a full-time role much smoother. Better job prospects. Employers prefer candidates with relevant experience, and internships provide just that. Employers particularly appreciate internships that align with their industry needs and demonstrate an intern's ability to adapt, problem-solve, and collaborate. VCONFIGER Analytics. USA and India offers 6 months internship for graduates to provide the practical exposure, and that will help to reduce the gap between industry and education. For more information, please call +1 73269244748 +919949944 or mail to venkat@vconfigure.com or visit www.vconfigure.com.